not about Robot Man today. Back to Shitty Trooper. Learn from it, people. This is a testimony. You see? When you not go hear it from Busy Signal because him not in that something there. Him not in that mix up something there. Him not in that loud up something there. Him not in that talk up something there. But Busy a good youth. Busy a good youth, and we see it with our very own eyes. We see the demise of Shitty Trooper because him got trouble the youth. You hear him a style the youth, a call the man a manner of names, and I talk about the man can't go come back a foreign. And feds are going to come for the man. Then we see feds come for the man and lock up the man in a prison. Right? The man go to prison. But guess what? Surely goodness and mercy shall follow you all the days of your life. Dirty people, bad mind people will love call people. Them love call people bad mind, you know. Notice people will love call people bad mind. Them are the wickedest all them boy. Wicked. Remember me tell you that. Yeah? Remember me telling you that. Remember that. But you know see, the warrior rise and making billions. Not millions. Billions. Them man the publishing check and them man the something check. Me can't tell you no. Cause me a big song where my publishing check them out and income me nice. Me feel good when I go drink a rum. And them the man they a blow up Boomer yeah. Boomer yeah. You think a simple song that? Boomer yeah. That play on every station in Europe. Remember that. And go must top 20 or top 30 in a Billboard. Remember that. See it? Life catcher say, so Ricky Trooper make Busy Signal get locked up. Yo, don't put no word in my mouth, brethren. Don't put no word in my mouth. You come on here and try set me up. You come on here and try set me up. You know, you're the reason I listen to Theme Voice too. You go and you know, hear the same thing when me hear. You come ask question around here now. Through your wall, they file last week against me if you get to laugh. Eh? You know, hear the same thing when me hear. Eh? You come and sneak in now, I come ask if a trooper make Busy get locked up. Where you want me answer you say? Where you want me answer? You know, you're the same voice note them and the same Shitty Trooper attack when in drunk. You know, you're the same thing with me here. Huh? You know, you're the same thing with me here. You're going to say, stick broke now your ears. You're going to stick broke now your ears. Where you want to say? Vegas say? I don't miss say. You know what you say. Go back, go and listen to Shitty Trooper. Dissing up Busy Signal and saying Feds gonna come for Busy Signal. And right after that, Feds come for Busy Signal. Came for Busy Signal. That's the argument we're having. Top try put word in my mouth. You see? No put no word in my mouth, Bridging. Because somehow no one lawsuit to take me for no get to laugh. You see? Somebody say play it again. We don't love the F3, you know. We don't love the F3 star. By the way, Shensia was looking so wonderful tonight on the TV. I tell you. Shensia, you was looking so wonderful. I'm me to tell you.
Yo, glad. I chat the man. America, man, where you there? Jamaica, pussy. Yeah. Full. Batty boy Busy Signal, you that Jamaica come chat about Trooper rare. One to your Busy Signal. Timbo Geary. You know long time Geary turning and see. But you just bust out your blood clad. I chat the man. America, man, where you there? Jamaica, pussy. Can't come America. Suck your mother. Feds are come for you. Out. Yo, Trooper, I say, Aaron. Look at my gun. Gun. Put this by you, Trooper.
Look for my gun. Look for my gun. Yeah. Look for my gun. So top try put word in my mouth.
For real.
Top try put word in my mouth. Can you hear with me here? Is it? You hear with me here. Is it? Just do your own calculation, brethren. Isn't it weird? Isn't it weird? That the man says so we really see little after that we say police come and fed big FBI come for the man star. Big FBI fly down for there we are said we never know. Mr. the man Mr. remember saying years busy.
Bumbo. Hello, what is no?